Magic Eraser tool. This tool makes the pixels on the image surface transparent. But if you choose to use this tool, then it is essential that the pixels on the surface of the photo are all of the same color. Only in this condition is the choice of this tool apt. It is not useful if the area is made up of a mixture of multiple colors. Let us now see how this tool is used. Observe what happens when we click using the magic wand tool. On using this tool, the pixels of similar color on the background are deleted. However, the same color pixels in the image of the model have also been deleted. We do not want this to happen. We only want the pixels in the background to be deleted. There are some options available on the option bar of this tool. Using these, we can delete only the background pixels. We will see the option Tolerance first. The value of tolerance was 50. Let us change it to 5 and see what happens. When the tolerance value is high, many pixels of similar color get deleted at the same time. When the tolerance value is low, the range of color for which pixels are deleted will be reduced. This helps us to easily remove only those pixels that we are interested in removing. Now let us see how the option Anti-Alias works. When we select this option, the edges in the image are found and the pixels of the same color around the edges are deleted. This makes the new background appropriate for the image and no pixel of the old background will be present on this new background. When you use the option Contiguous, the pixels of similar color get selected. However, if any other object comes in between the areas with the similar color pixels and the pixels are separated, then all the pixels are not selected even if they are of similar colors. In short, if this option is not selected, then the pixels with similar colors in the background will all be deleted. If the pixels with similar colors have to be selected on all layers, then select the option Sample All Layers.